Hi, I'm Maxwell,
I'm Peter.
and today we're doing a little garden tractor walk around. Now,
Allie's with us.
I haven't told any of you that we bought this, but we bought it, and today I'm going to show you the fundamentals of doing a walk around on it. Basically, it's going to be like how to do a walk around on your garden tractor if you have one. Yeah, I think you literally just disabled the...
Yep, you got to get some snow cleaned off. Come on. Okay, don't worry about that little bit of snow, buddy. You got to get the big snow off. That snow will melt off. All you're going to do is get your gloves wet. Then your fingers will be cold.
This is something I need to get off. I need to operate this stick. Okay, this is already done. You gotta tie it something.
Nope, I don't.
We need to figure that out later in the process. This will be a lot faster that way. Just pick it up and dump it off.
Kind of like watching paint dry, isn't it, folks?
You gotta admit, it is a neat process.
I don't think you caught on to that. Probably just as well.
Did we make a video about the fact that we bought this yet?
Nope.
Yeah.
You're not probably going to move it, though, because it needs chains on your tires. You can try.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, I'm sure.
But yeah, so the next step is just kind of a walk around.
Make sure you get the cup holder cleaned out.
There's still a little bit in there. He just said that because I started to do it. This is actually, and this is an okay method to do if you also have one of these little things. This is a process that works.
I think it's in there.
Okay. Get my butt wet. Oh, that's not too bad. The choke has to be all the way up, right?
Yep.
Okay. That's in. Brake. What am I not doing?
Don't know. Here, let's see if the seat moves forward. Stand up for a minute.
Pete, what was I not doing that was making it? It's up, I think.
Hold on to the phone for a minute. Got it?
I think what you did is you lifted it. Let me get off the tractor for this. Oh, Pete, is the fuel shut off on? Pete, did we ever turn the fuel shut off on? All the way forward. Please and thank you. But it is a Troy-built 7-speed transmission. Nice little tractor, little headlights. And this thing was made back when hoods were made of metal.
Right, not plastic?
Yeah.
Right.
This was made back when they were made of metal.
Right. Metal's better, right? Try that.
Once I get going, I actually want to hold it and show them like a first-person view of
Okay,
driving.
can you push it in now? Is that better?
Oh, okay, push it in. It's fine. What am I not doing?
Battery might be dead.
Do we have our jumper kit?
Nope. That battery might need to put the jumper kit on it. All right, we'll have to come back later and show you guys then later. The starting up of it.
Yeah, but guys, basically, so but that's the walk around. that's what the video's for. But basically, to use it, you turn it on, you know, and then this. Get your position. There we go. Basically, this goes forward. Guys.
Here, let me push it down for a minute. Let go.
Oh.
Go ahead. Spinning. Hey, hi girl. It's spinning.
Yeah, here, I'll see it running for this next little part. That's the tractor. That's the tractor. It's a nice little thing. And I bought it to haul that little trailer. So, yeah, I like the thing. But, I'm just letting the alternator run for a minute. Charge up the battery. Comment down below, guys. Do you think I should put a deck on it or keep it like this? Comment down below. What do you think? Deck? No deck. And by a deck, I mean a mowing deck. But this is its idle position. And then, basically, you put this forward and reverse. And then you have this brake and move it up. But that's your choke and stop and focus. I can't focus on it. But yeah, and this is the view while driving. That was spinning, so that's really not an option. Yeah, I'm just kind of letting the alternator run. I'm letting the alternator run. And that's what it sounds like shutting off.
All right.
But
Tell
these.
everybody you said goodbye.
But why we bought it is you come all the way up here. It's a lot quicker for the dog. I want to haul this. So it just hooks onto the back. But comment down below, guys. Again, like I said, comment down below. Mower deck? No mower deck. Tell me what you think I should do. Because I really don't know. And yeah. Try and fix a bucket later.
How are we gonna fix the bucket? It's broke.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. You can shut it off.
Say goodbye to everybody.